Hello, I'm CJ again. This is a quick video to show how to make objects follow curve in Blender. After starting Blender, we can add the curve first. So we can go to Add Curve. We can choose Bezier Curve. So a Bezier Curve is added. If we want to deform it, we can select the curve and then go to Edit Mode. We can have the vertex to deform it. If you want to see how to deform and modify the curve, we have another tutorial in this channel. Now I make it simple. I press A to select all the vertex and press X to scale it, something like this. So we can go back to Object Mode. We have the curves in this scaling. Next, we can add object. We can go to Add, Merge, and add that curve. So we have objects. Make sure that we select the objects and then go to Object Constraints Properties and add Object Constraint. And then we can find Follow Path. Choose it and then go to Targets. We can use the dropper to pick the curve. So we can see that the object is put in the beginning of curve. So if we adjust offset value, we can move, follow the path. Now I go back to 0. If we want to make an animation, we can go to timeline to make sure that this is the first frame. And then we can click the dot to add the keyframe. Next, we can put it to another frame. For example, I use 100, and then I go to -100 in offset and set the keyframe. So we can make a simple animation. Now we can see that the objects in its orientation. If we want to make orientation of objects follow curve, we can check the box follow curve. Now we can go back and we can preview it again. So this is how we can make objects follow curve in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Yan. See you in the next video.